Hey, so here I'm gonna show you how you can delete your contact. It can be single, multiple, duplicate, or even all contact at once. Hey, so let's see how you can delete them on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or new iPhone Air in the most quickest way possible. So first you have to head over to your contact app, and right at the top you should see this section called duplicate contacts. So just view your duplicate contact and you will see which contact are doubled. So if you just find it, just hit merge and see it will combine them properly without deleting anything important. So now if you want to delete just one contact, here's what you need to do. Just open a contact that you want to delete. And here we'll find this edit at the top. Now you have to scroll down all the way down, tap delete contact and confirm. And see the single contact is gone. And now I'm going to show you how you can delete your multiple contacts at once. And this part is a little tricky. And now use your two fingers to select contacts by sliding down. Keep sliding with two fingers to select more. Just press and hold the last selected contact and you will get a menu. And from there, just go for delete contacts and confirm the process. See, your selected contacts are gone. Now finally, if you want to delete all your contacts at once and you have a huge amount of contacts, so here's the easiest ways. From your settings, then from the Apple ID, you will find this iCloud option. Go for it. And now from the iCloud list, you will find this contact option. Just go for it and toggle it off. And it will ask, choose delete from my iPhone. Just hit it. And now go back to the contact app and see all of your contacts are gone. And that's how you can delete all of your contacts on your iPhone. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.